Guys, this is what my hair was looking like. And it is wash day, so I'm about to go wash this bad boy. The last twist out that I did left a lot of residue in my hair. When I come close, you can kind of see it. Like right there and there. So that's why I'm going to be washing it out. But as I always tell you guys, my hair wash routine is a whole process. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm actually going to go pick up my aloe vera, make the aloe vera juice, do the aloe vera treatment, and then wait a couple of days before I go to get my hair washed. So I'm going to do the treatment myself, but I'm actually going to go out and get it washed at a salon. So hey guys, I'm back here at the Hispanic store that I told you guys about. I think it's called the Orange. A lot of my subscribers said it's called the Orange. So I'm about to go get my aloe vera. So that's what I'm doing right now. I have to grab a basket. Here. Here it is. For some reason they always have this stuff on top of it, but here it is. I'm gonna grab a few of these. These are nice and fresh. Look at these. Yes. I think I'm gonna grab about 3 this time. Okay. Did you know the arrow in Amazon's logo represents A to Z? Maybe the line of your career logo should represent unemployed to employed. Ryan was out of work when he started classes in March. In September, he started his 19th. So I think 3 is good for now. Okay family, I've already done the aloe vera treatment. The reason I didn't film this part is because I have several videos showing you exactly how to make the aloe vera juice, how to use it as a leave-in conditioner, how to make the aloe vera oil, and all that good stuff. I've also made a video showing you exactly how I apply it to my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna twist my hair out, let the treatment sit in for a few days, and then I'm gonna take it out, and then I'll go wash my hair. But look, shrinkage is real, y'all. Look at this. And if you haven't seen any one of those videos, I will make sure to leave them down in the description below so you can have access to them. Just be sure to check out the descriptions for the rest of my natural hair videos. So as you can see, I already have my hair twisted up, but the bad thing is I try to set up my hair appointment to go wash my hair. When I called the salon, they didn't have any open spaces for about 2 days. So I went ahead and braided my hair into smaller braids so that I can wear it in a hairstyle because I still had to go to work. Anyways, it ended up working out because it actually turned into a cute little braid out style. Hey guys, I'm literally in traffic at the red light and I'm doing this intro. So I decided to get my hair silk pressed. I think that's what it's called. It is about 9 a.m. in the morning. I kind of overslept, so I'm a little late, but this is supposed to be one of the best reviewed natural hair salons in my city, so I'm excited to do it, but I'm also nervous. So I'm just gonna run in there and do this real quick. I had to bring the camera close because there was a glare from the sun. The sun is just now coming out. So anyways, I have to run. Okay guys, I had to stop recording because I was in traffic. But anyways, I just got here. I'm at the salon. I'm actually kind of late, so I don't know if they're going to give me a grace period before they cancel my appointment, but I hope they don't cancel it. But I am here and I'm hoping for a great experience. So I can't talk anymore. I have to go in there. I'll show you guys the rest of the stuff later. Bye-bye. If I I've told you guys this before, but I always take my own products to the hair salon to get my hair washed or treated or do any kind of hairstyles. So the stylist here is just asking me to explain to her what I want, and she's also educating me on natural hair and telling me what I need to do or not do in order to facilitate the healthy growth of my hair. I try to wash it myself, but it takes the whole day, so I'm like,
Grab us one more time.
okay.
Ready?
I don't know if it's just me, but I honestly think this is the best feeling in the world. Having someone else massage your scalp when you get your hair washed. Oh my God, it feels so good and so relaxing. If you guys haven't tried this before, I encourage you to try it. It is the best feeling ever. Okay, so the stylist here, I don't know if he's new or if this is his first time dealing with natural hair, but he was honestly confused, y'all. He did not know what to do with my hair at all. He was either overwhelmed or he was just not having a good day. So I had to help him out. I had to help him comb it out. And then when we did that, I felt like he was still a little bit uncomfortable. So I told him that we should section my hair off so it's easier to comb out and then wash and blow dry. So I was helping him out here. As you can see, he looks like he's a little scared. Poor guy, I felt so bad for him. He was so gentle with my hair while I'm over here pulling and tugging on my hair. He's over there so gentle with the comb. But I have to give it to him, y'all. He did his very best, and I appreciated him so much because he was so sweet and so patient, and I couldn't ask for anyone better. Okay guys, we are on to the flat ironing process. The same stylist took over to flat iron my hair because they say that she's one of the best. And I do agree because she got my hair really, really nice and pressed. So hey guys, real quick, I just got done. The lady who actually did my hair said she wasn't comfortable being on camera for whatever her reasons were, so I didn't want to force it. So I only have bits and pieces of the whole process. I really wanted to walk you guys through the whole process, but she didn't really let me because she said she wasn't comfortable. So what she did was she deep conditioned it, and she also blow dried and flat ironed it. So once she got done, it was silk straight. She said that I had a lot of split ends and my ends weren't healthy, so she had to cut out about 1 to 1.5 inches of hair. So 1 inch in some places and 1.5 inches in other places. But that's fine because that just means that my hair is going to be a little more healthier than it was. So I was happy with that. And she also asked me if I wanted some curls to give it a little bit of body. So that's why, as you can see, it has some curls in it. It turned out really good and I'm happy with the results. So I think I'm just gonna wear this like this for a few days, and then I'll probably wear it straight for a few days as well. But I'm in a rush because I have to go to work. I have a few visits that I have to do today. For those of you who don't know, I am a nurse and I do nursing visits because I work home health right now. So I just have to go get dressed real quick, put on my uniform and get out of the house. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Thank you guys again for watching. If you haven't joined the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you'll never miss another video from me again. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next one.